Chief Minister N.Biren ngasi Punna Kg.314.471 romgi drug mai thaduna manghankhre ngasi Imphal West District ki lamdeng de leba Siza Biomedical Waste Treatment and Management Complex ta pangthokhiba thoram aduda Chief Minister sing MLA sing amade DGP yauna pangthokhiba thoram aduda Chief Minister na phongdokhibada mahakna lengak parakpada gi tayrok suba oina drug sing asi mai thaduna manghanbani miyamna drug faraga marakta kari tawba manbagi jingnaba adu thadokpayu drug mafia Kangbu Kharana Manipur asi mangnaba hotnari adubu Manipur lengak nasu war on drug ta khongfam sunghan haloi miyam na sumateng pangbiu haina Chief Minister na phongdokhre.
It is our target our target means we are going to completely defeat and destroy whoever involved in the drugs, and we are going to destroy the poppy plantation wherever we found, and we are actively operating against the drug smuggler on the highways, on the borders area, in every corner in the city, including towns, because so that we can save our youths, our people from these deadly drugs.
Any message for the people?
I would like to appeal to the people of the state as well as the people concerned, those who are in security, who are looking after and attacking this illegal trade. We should be very sincere, very transparent, and we should not compromise at any cost.